Today I'm going to show you how the Microverse Crawl trailer evolved over a couple weeks. It changed a lot, but I think you'll like where it ended up. So that was our build of the RC Microverse Crawl trailer. Like and subscribe so you can follow along, see how we upgrade and make things better. In the meantime, here's a little bit of run video so you can see what it's like to actually crawl on the trailer.